Tell me about this Clouds and Dirt challenge. So the 4Ds, they go to this for one day, they come out. So what was this challenge? What is it all about?
The challenge that I was presented with was, we have this group of over 400 incredible entrepreneurs. Right now, their only way that they interact is through this Facebook group and an occasional alumni event that we'll do, but we don't really have a lot of structured engagement for them. And we see so much potential in these people in terms of connecting them to each other, in terms of providing more value for them, that we want to find some way to engage them more after they've done this one-day event. And so what I came in to do was to understand who this community is, understand what their needs are, and find a way to provide them more value. And the way that I concluded we could do that was through creating some kind of a way for people to share what it is that they're trying to do and keep each other accountable and help each other through the challenges that come up as they go along the way. And so the way that ended up manifesting was through a challenge where we said, it's a basic goal setting and accountability structure where we take some time to understand what it is that everyone is trying to achieve. First of all, starting with what's your North Star, what's the purpose behind what you're doing, and then what's a particular kind of thing you might do or create as kind of an interim goal for a very finite period of time. And then what are the concrete steps you have to take between where you are now to get to that goal. And so there's that initial process of just figuring out where you're at and what you want to do. And then there's the middle part, which is let's work on it and let's check in with each other. And so we do these 7, 21, and 42-day check-ins. And so it's a 42-day program for the pilot program. We might make it longer in future versions, but that's kind of what we're working with now, where we check in a week later, pretty critical moment. Did you make progress? Did you hit a block? Whatever. And then 21 days and then 42 days in. So we all get to kind of see how everyone's doing, diagnose any challenges that are coming up, troubleshoot, celebrate successes, and then continue to move on from there. We'll use the Facebook group on the intervening weeks to just check in, asynchronously. And then at the end, we have what we're calling a showcase, which is a way for people to celebrate the fact that they did this program and to show off their successes or what they learned from their failures. And one of the things I found having run accountability groups like this in the past is that not everybody makes it. Not everybody does the goal they set out to do. And what I don't want is for people to feel shame, because there's actual tremendous value in learning why you're not doing the goal. And if we can face that and understand it and learn from it, then you could set yourself up to actually set a goal that you're actually going to achieve next. And so what we want to do is actually celebrate the successes and also celebrate the learnings from the failures. So if somebody said, I set a goal, I thought I wanted to do this, but then I kept not doing it, and I kept asking myself why, and I learned I actually don't even want to go this direction at all with my business. And I thought I did. My ego told me it was the right thing to do. People told me it was what I should do. So I was trying to do what everyone thought I should do, but I don't actually want to, and I learned that now. And now I understand that I actually do want to do this other thing. That could be life-changing. And it all came from the fact that someone failed to achieve their goal. So what we want to do in the showcase is acknowledge the people who have, achieved something one way or the other, and give everyone a chance to kind of show off. We've got some incredible, remarkable people in this group. And so just being able to see what they've been up to and how they've approached their problems and how they've worked to achieve their goals is just something that's going to be so valuable and so educational for everyone.